15. AI-designed antennas used by NASA artificial intelligence is now creating spacecraft components that human engineers might never think of. At NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, evolutionary algorithms generate antenna designs that look unusual and asymmetrical, yet perform exceptionally well. These AI-generated antennas can be developed about 10 times faster and at a much lower cost than traditional methods. They also offer roughly 3 times better strength-to-weight ratios and significantly reduce stress points. In some cases, weight is cut by nearly 2/3, and development time drops from months to just a week. These aren't just experimental either. Similar designs have already been used in dozens of real NASA missions. 14. AI-designed living organisms called xenobots, AI, has helped scientists create something that sits between a robot and a living organism. By testing billions of possible cell combinations, researchers developed tiny biological machines known as xenobots. Built from frog skin and heart cells, these structures are less than a millimeter wide and contain about 3,000 cells each. They can move, carry small objects, and even repair themselves. One surprising design, shaped like Pac-Man, allowed xenobots to gather loose cells and form new versions of themselves, marking the first time AI has helped design entirely new lifelike systems. 13. AI-generated aircraft parts inspired by bones. AI is also transforming aircraft design. Engineers use generative design tools to create a bionic partition for airplanes inspired by bone structures and slime mold. The result looks skeletal but is highly efficient. It weighs about 66 pounds compared to the traditional 143 pounds, cutting weight by nearly 45%. It also uses around 95% less raw material while maintaining strength. Even small weight reductions like this can save huge amounts of fuel, and across entire fleets, such designs could reduce carbon emissions by up to 1 million tons annually. 12. AI-discovered antibiotic that kills superbugs. For decades, scientists struggled to find new antibiotics for drug-resistant bacteria. AI changed that. By analyzing thousands of known compounds and scanning millions of possibilities, a model discovered a completely new antibiotic called halicin. In lab tests, it successfully killed dangerous bacteria that resist most existing drugs. In mice, it cleared severe infections within 24 hours. Even more impressive, bacteria didn't quickly develop resistance, which is a major breakthrough in medicine. 11. AI-designed drug that reached human trials. Drug development usually takes 10 to 12 years, but AI is dramatically speeding this up. A biotech company used generative AI to design a drug candidate for a lung disease called idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The system identified the target, generated molecules, and moved a candidate into clinical trials in under 18 months. Early trials with patients even showed measurable improvements in lung function, something that would have taken years using traditional methods. 10. AI-created proteins never seen in nature. Scientists are now using AI to design entirely new proteins. Normally, proteins evolve over millions of years, but AI can simulate this process in days. Researchers have created proteins capable of performing useful biological functions, including restoring bacterial growth and blocking CRISPR systems. Essentially, AI is compressing hundreds of millions of years of evolution into a short computational process. 9. AI discovered ultra-strong materials. AI is helping uncover new materials that would take decades to find otherwise. Researchers used machine learning to identify a 3D printable aluminum alloy that is 5 times stronger than standard versions. Another AI-designed superalloy can withstand extreme temperatures up to 2,000 degrees and is over 1,000 times more durable. These materials could revolutionize industries like aerospace, energy, and manufacturing. 8. AI designed microchips beyond human understanding. Designing advanced chips is incredibly complex, but AI is now outperforming human engineers. Systems like Alpha Chip treat chip design like a strategic game, optimizing layouts in just hours instead of weeks. These designs have been used in multiple generations of processors, reducing wiring distances and improving speed and energy efficiency. The results are faster, more powerful chips with lower energy consumption. 9. AI discovered ultra-strong materials. AI is helping uncover new materials that would take decades to find otherwise. Researchers used machine learning to identify a 3D printable aluminum alloy that is 5 times stronger than standard versions. Another AI-designed superalloy can withstand extreme temperatures up to 2,000 degabars and is over 1,000 times more durable. These materials could revolutionize industries like aerospace, energy, and manufacturing. 8. AI-designed microchips beyond human understanding. Designing advanced chips is incredibly complex, but AI is now outperforming human engineers. Systems like Alpha Chip treat chip design like a strategic game, optimizing layouts in just hours instead of weeks. These designs have been used in multiple generations of processors, reducing wiring distances and improving speed and energy efficiency. The results are faster, more powerful chips with lower energy consumption. 5. AI-created enzymes that break down plastic. Plastic waste is a major global issue, and AI may offer a solution. Scientists designed an enzyme called fast PETase that can break down plastic bottles in as little as 48 hours. In tests, it successfully decomposed real plastic products into their original components. Some AI-designed enzymes are even hundreds of times more effective than previous versions, offering hope for tackling pollution. 4. AI-designed synthetic viruses for medicine. AI is also helping design viruses for medical use. Researchers created hundreds of synthetic bacteriophages that target specific bacteria. In experiments, several of these AI-designed viruses successfully destroyed harmful bacteria, sometimes outperforming natural ones. The goal is to develop highly targeted treatments, not dangerous pathogens. 3. AI-built microscopic living robots. Xenobots represent a new kind of technology, living robots made from cells. These tiny machines can move, carry particles, and work together. They survive for about a week before naturally breaking down. In the future, they could be used to deliver medicine inside the body or clean up microscopic pollution. 2. AI created invention that sparked legal debate. AI has even entered the world of intellectual property. A system designed a unique fractal-shaped container optimized for stacking and heat transfer. When researchers tried to patent it with the AI listed as the inventor, it sparked global debate. Many countries rejected the idea, stating only humans can be inventors, but the discussion raised important questions about AI's role in creativity. 1. AI discovered millions of new crystal materials. One of the most groundbreaking achievements is AI discovering around 2.2 million new crystal structures. Out of these, about 380,000 are predicted to be stable and useful for technologies like batteries and electronics. Before this, humans had identified only about 48,000 stable materials. In a single breakthrough, AI expanded the known possibilities nearly tenfold, essentially revealing an entirely new map of matter. If you made it this far, what do you think about these developments? AI is moving faster than ever, and its impact on science and technology is just beginning. Stay curious, because the next breakthroughs might be even more surprising.